Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today what we'll do, we'll convert my business card into a stamp. To give you a very brief history of how Trotec Laser came into being, Trodat, which is the world's largest stamp manufacturer, was having a lot of production issues sourcing lasers from all around the world to make stamps. Now the biggest issue they were having is just consistency in the quality. So what they did is they decided to found Trotec Laser. We have a Trotec Laser, we have a Speedy 400 flexx, and it's awesome for stamp making. So our machine is optimized for stamps and can cut and engrave a bunch of other stuff with the same precision. So what I wanted to do with this video is actually convert this business card. So you can see here there's lots of issues with it. It's very highly detailed. And I converted that to a stamp, as you can see here. So what we'll do now, we'll take a look at the Trotec Laser making that stamp. After making this stamp, I generally make a custom holder for it. Because a lot of our stuff doesn't fit within the Trodat line of stamps because of the custom size nature of it, basically I make something like this. So it's two pieces of acrylic bonded together with double-sided tape on the stamp itself. So it's incredibly strong, it's extremely flat, which is what you want for a stamp. So after the custom stamp was finished, I put some ink on paper and you can see the results come out very well. So the nice thing again about us is that any sort of Trodat line of stamps that you want, we can make them here in the shop and ship them to you right away. We could also make any custom size and shape stamp, which is the nice thing. So let's say you had this thing here and you had maybe a 3-inch round or 4-inch round or 8-inch round. We can make a stamp to suit that. Now when you get to larger stamps, the cost does go up quite a bit. Again, it depends on material, but mostly laser engraving time. It's also nice to know the geometry that you want. All of our products are sourced from Trodat, so that basically the rubber in here is the same rubber you'd get from a Trodat stamp. They're interchangeable. They use the same machines as us, and they also use the same rubber which we purchase from them. So if you want custom stamps, contact CNCKing.com. Send us your EPS file in black and white format, and we'll make some stamps for you.